What's up guys, my name is Daryl Wilson and today we're going to talk about the unlimited SSLs on Siteground. Now you guys, I've always recommended Siteground and I recommend it for a reason. It's really fast and good, but for those of you who actually use the service, every domain that you purchase, you actually get a free SSL in it. The problem is a lot of people don't know about the service and they don't really use it. So today in this video, I'm actually going to buy a domain and show you how to attach a free SSL onto your domain. And that's pretty impressive because a lot of other companies like HostGator are going to charge you $50 a year for each domain, but Siteground will actually do it for free. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account and I'm going to buy a domain and I'm going to go from scratch just to let you guys know how it works because I see a lot of people are buying Siteground and I wanted to show you guys how this works. So let's go ahead and buy a domain. Now I'm going to buy Avengers was amazing. And I'm going to check the domain. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and register with hosting. So right here, domain privacy, that's on it. Confirm, yeah, okay, good. Now I'm going to go to pay now. Now there are some things that you do need to do when you buy this domain. You will need to put it on your name servers. So I got the domain. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to add it onto my name servers. So you guys can do that by looking at your other domains. So for example, right here, Bedenza, which is a secret website. It's going to come out very soon. I have an under construction page. So right here are the name servers. So I'm going to go ahead and take these name servers and add it onto my domain that I just bought. So it was, what was it again? It was Avengers was amazing. Yeah, right here. Avengers was amazing. By default, it uses like their own domain or their own, you know, their own stuff. So you need to make sure it's on. And this is 2. Okay, and I'm gonna go to updates. You guys can actually just call them about their the name servers. I'm sorry, the name servers. You guys can just ask them like where you have to go get it, etc. Okay, it has been added. Now that I've added that, I'm gonna go ahead and go over here, and I'm gonna go to my my hosting, go to manage account, and these are all my active installs. So I need to actually go to the dashboard or whatever and go there. So here I'm gonna go to cpanel, go to the cpanel, that's what I meant. Right here, go to add-on domains because I want to add on this domain. So I have the Avengers was amazing, right? So the was amazing.com, and then right here I'm just gonna go ahead and put a password. Oh, let me see here. Oop, let's see here. All right. Oh, that is so annoying. It has to be summon and strength. It's like, ugh, why? Okay. Add domain. All right. So the domain has been added. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, I can install WordPress first. So maybe that's a better idea. Most of you are using WordPress for this. So let's go back to manage account on my hosting. We're going to go to the WordPress. It doesn't really matter. It takes you to your cPanel anyways. And then right here, auto installers for WordPress. And then right here, I'm going to go to install now. And I'm going to find the domain that I have. So it was Avengers are amazing. There it is. Avengers was amazing. Okay. I was getting worried for a second. I'm going to go ahead and just put in admin. And then add something like that. All right, and then here, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on install. Okay, so I'm installing WordPress onto this domain, but again, remember, if I click on this right here, I'm not gonna really have the SSL. So do you guys see how I have that error right there, how it's not working out? We can fix that by going on to our accounts right here and just installing it. So right here, manage account. Now guys, if it doesn't work, just give them a call. You know, they're always there to help you out. The support there is really good. Whenever I have a problem, I just call them and they just do it right away. Or they have live chat if you don't want to talk, because sometimes I don't want to talk either. You know, it's like, I don't want to talk today. You know, it's one of those days, you know. So here I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. Now you need to go to Let's Encrypt. So it's going to be somewhere around here. Right here, Let's Encrypt. And right here are all the domains that I have that are currently active. So right here, I'm going to go to Avengers was amazing. And then you can Let's Encrypt the SSL, or you can do like a wildcard SSL. It doesn't really matter. It really doesn't. So here, I'm gonna go to install. Now it is installing the SSL onto my domain. Successfully installed. All right. So they said it's successfully installed. Now let's go ahead and go over here and let's go ahead and see if we can refresh, and voila. Now you guys can see we have the SSL installed and it cost us nothing, $0. That is why Siteground's the best. That is why Siteground's the best, because you get free SSLs. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. All right, this was a quick video, but I just wanted to run that by because people are getting Siteground, and I just want to show them that you can add SSLs. And just like this video, just like it right now, subscribe, all right, all that good stuff. All right, I'll see you guys later.